This week on Entertainment Recap, it's a whirlwind of things. Spice in Panama City, Beenie Man Pleads Guilty, Clarks release mini documentary. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Queen of the dancehall and love and hip-hop Atlanta star, Spice, went to Panama City over the weekend for a performance and well-deserved vacation time with her beau, video producer, photographer, Justin Budd. It seems to be the right time for dancehall queen Spice to take a break and unwind with her Rasta love. In an Instagram post, Spice showed her 3.5 million Instagram followers how her Sunday was going.
Happy Sunday!
And from the looks of things, it couldn't have been going any better. From snuggling on the white sand beach to jet skiing, twerking while jet skiing along the coastline, they sure made the best of their mini vacay. Spice and Justin have been dating for some time now. She officially shared news of their union back in November last year during a photo shoot for his birthday, and they've been going strong ever since. Auntie, you happy, you know? You happy bad. I not lie. I like this for you. Dancehall veteran Beenie Man has pleaded guilty to a breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act following an illegal party. The artist, whose real name is Moses Davis, appeared in the Black River Parish Court in St. Elizabeth.
But me heart no dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream. Me mind no dirty, me think clean. I will never grudge you for your queen.
A second charge for breach of the Noise Abatement Act was dismissed after the 47-year-old DJ pleaded not guilty. Beenie Man was slapped with the two charges in connection to an illegal party in the Shrewsbury district in the St. Elizabeth Parish on November 29. The Black River Police turned up at the party, dispersed the crowd, and Beenie Man was warned for prosecution. The 47-year-old singer's promotion of a subsequent New Year's Eve party in December further earned the ear of police in St. Elizabeth Parish. He was summoned to a police station in the parish on January 1st, where he was charged for breaching protocols with the November 29th party. British footwear brand Clarks has again sought to show its appreciation for Jamaica's love affair with the brand. The company released a documentary about the brand's close association with the Caribbean islands.
Say, who have clocks like this? Brixton. Who have clocks like this? In Kingston.
The documentary is entitled Clarks and Jamaica and features a number of Jamaican music and sporting icons. Jamaican musicians Coffee, Protege, Lila IK, Savannah, and Nomads, along with football star Raheem Sterling, are a part of the group that shares insight on the historic relationship between Jamaica and the shoes in the 10-minute-long feature. The connection between Clarks and Jamaica goes back a long way. To celebrate this special relationship, we spoke to some of the biggest names in Jamaican culture to find out what Clarks mean to them, the company wrote on Instagram. Clarks has indicated that they will be working with Coffee's Families Rule, MTLT charity that strives to empower kids through mentorship and scholarship. The Jamaican media fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the passing of veteran journalist Michael Sharpe early Tuesday, April 20. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group confirmed Sharpe's passing in a tweet made by Claire Grant, the general manager at Television Jamaica. It is with deep regret that TVJ JNN, the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, announces that our colleague, friend, veteran broadcaster, newsman Michael Sharpe died this morning. Condolences to his family and friends. Peace, Michael Sharpe, said Grant in an early morning tweet. R.I.P. to Michael Sharpe. You will be truly missed. This week's new music comes from Tarrus with Just Like That, and Konshens Spice Rvssian with Pay For It.
Have a thing but you are different from every other man we try. That's why
I wanna spend all my money on you. Show you some love, cause I want to. I know you got pride, but make me come through. This time I'll take care of you. Let me pay for it, for it, for it. Let me pay for it, for it, for it.
Pay for it, pay on it, paper in a wallet. Bank card fi black big house, you pay for it. Chanel Rvssian nor Louis V in a me closet. Man money fi stockpile, elastic bonnet. Pay for it, Lamborghini me favorite. Cash pan it, the price me never aware of it. My body good, couple million in flare on it. Pay for it, pay down pan it.
And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. And guess what? Big up to Ear Candy for my heart earring. Them come out today. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection. And stay with us all the time. Keep it up. Like the support that you guys have been giving us. Just remember, always and forever, big up, oh, you!